Today we've checked out our first open mine quarry. So we've been to Nenthead originally and checked out some kind of harder geology, but today was just going along and talk about the management of a quarry. I went to a lot of different universities and read up on the course and the course content and stuff, and it was very theoretical, whereas Newcastle was really applied. And the fact that we're in the northeast means we've got accessibility to loads of different mines and that kind of thing. So everything we learn in a module, we then get taken out and show how it applies to the real world. And today is a great example of that. We've been learning about the economic sustainability of extracting limestone, whether it be for construction or agriculture, and then we've been taken to an open cast mine and spoken to the manager. Everything I do, it gets the context through the kind of industrial links that Newcastle's got. So I'll be learning something and going, oh, that's really interesting, but I'm not sure how I'd ever get a job in that or make money through that. But at the end of each module, we then get taken out and shown how what we've just learned applies to the real world.
So personally for me, I find Earth Sciences in Newcastle very hands-on. There's a lot of different field trips we go on. Of all the ones I've previously been on, I actually really enjoyed the one today. For me personally, mining and quarrying is very interesting to me, since it's such a large-scale operation. It was really good to get an insight on how everything works, everything runs. Also useful to see as well for the environmental impacts. The mining today actually did give me a great insight onto an actual mining operation, and maybe that is something I'd like to maybe go into in the future.
I'm not 100% sure what I want to do, but I do think that these trips and going to places and speaking to people who have worked in the industry kind of gives me a direction and kind of gives me an idea about what I'd want to do myself.